Pole, pole, pole.
Thank you.
Good job.
Thank you.
여성복 입는 거.
맞아, 그래. That was nice.
I love you.
You can pull the rope. Oh.
Stop.
What? Iba bang bumbol?
Stop.
Oh, just like this.
Nagkabay ako lang.
Apa sih? Kenapa nanti pan?
So the one rope over there. It'll be like a gym.
Oh. 예. Woo. They made it. 그니까 그 모토는 거의 안 뜬 것 같은데 저기서부터
근데
여기까지
바람이 엄청 많이 불어. 아 이게 바람이 이렇게 밀려온 건가?
그런 거지? 신혼여행과 화혼의 여행이 그래서 옆쪽도 안 주고 있지.
이게 봐봐 카메라.
그거 캠프
다정하게. 오늘 끊겼는데 왜 해요?
너무 이렇게 했잖아. 하지 말라고 했나?
너도 그 랩한 거 맞아.
아니야. 아까 그 요트라고 한 게 이거구나. 약간 고깃배 같은데 그래도 그 낭만이 계속 할 수 있지. 모르겠어. 없잖아 애초에. 그리고 1달러 있나? 1달러 있잖아. 1달러짜리가 있어? 없잖아. 좋았어. 저건 먹구름. 왜 이렇게 쓸렸어 근데? 아까 이 정도는 아니었잖아. 왜 그러면 아프다고 하지. 가서 밑에서 소독하고 해. 소독하고 해. 어우 짠. 밴드를 해.
밴드가 없잖아.
있어. 그 돌아가면 있어. 이게 항생제 있는 거라 괜찮아. 감염도 못 Can I take you with you tonight? Yeah, sure. Thank you so much.
Did you miss the boat?
Sorry?
Did you miss the boat when you left?
Sorry?
Just now I planned.
Oh,
At last
I
moment.
thought you missed the boat.
Yeah.
Yeah. They always know. They will play.
이건 타이머에서 들고 있어.
Yeah, I get some water.
이런지 먹고 싶어.
회사지는 괜찮아. 먹어봐. 회사지야? 만두 같아?
You didn't watch that?
아, 왜
야야야.
아, Where from my friend?
UK.
Oh, United Kingdom. From Fred Mercury.
Yes.
See him? Seen him?
No, never see him.
I have.
Yeah, you saw him?
Yes.
Bohemian Rhapsody tour.
Okay. He was born here in Zanzibar.
No, that was in London.
He was born here.
Yeah,
Yes, he was born here.
You are from London?
No, no, no.
I was originally from London, just on the outskirts.
Ah,
To the centre, to the city was 10 miles.
ah.
But
Used to be half an hour drive, no longer.
we live near Portsmouth,
Oh,
right on the south, right at the bottom.
yeah. And my friend, where from? South Korea. South Korea. How you see Zanzibar in general? It's good. Yeah,
Good.
really good. So welcome.
Oh, what's up?
Oh, got
He's my
Yeah,
friend.
man.
Eh? He's my best friend. Yes.
Are you BTS fans?
I'm a fan of Tottenham. Sony. Yeah. Yeah. So I ask you whether you live in London. So.
My daughter loves.
So he's my friend. He's my brother.
She came on holiday to Korea last year.
Oh, really?
She was in Korea last
At
year.
the concert?
No, no,
No.
no, just visiting, you know, for 2 weeks.
Mm.
She loved it.
Mm.
Loved your concert.
Then I changed it to Kenya. Yeah, first I planned for South Korea, then I changed to Kenya.
They've all just come out of service, haven't they? They finished their, so they're forming again. They're all coming out of their service, she said.
물티슈? have many came here? No.
It's our first. Our first. Very exciting.
Sleeping in tents with lions walking around the outside. No fence. Finished.
Oh, and the safari.
In Tanzania or Kenya?
Taking it.
We did it in Kenya, so
Oh, right.
Masai Mara. Yeah.
Yeah, no, we did it in the Serengeti. Really good.
못 먹였어. 그래서 내가 산 거야. 은퇴하고 여행이 나는 은퇴할 나이였다.
우리랑 비슷하더랑 전혀. 더 많으시.
그럴 수도.
So that's the first time. So that's the like exploration in this way. And did you accept?
So we are thinking just to go first
우리나라
to avoid.
그런데 폰을
See what I
사용.
mean now when I said
That
there was the other
that
one?
is, my experience is good.
갤럭시.
But 8 people not right now.
Yes.
They are simply watching. The turtle aquarium.
Okay. So many people they say no.
No, but everyone enjoyed. Dolphin, no, little bit.
좋네.
But other places, like the prison area. Okay. We saw the group, it was amazing.
It's like, yeah.
See where we are. First time we
It's
was
like,
back because
it's like
we saw
hunting.
one.
Yeah, that's it. Like hunting.
그래도 기대가?
그래요?
와, 여기
오,
물은
고기밥 주세요.
많이 받을수록 좋아요. 이거 던져도 돼요?
네, 고기밥 주세요.
해도 돼요?
네, 고수래요. 물고기 들어온다.
나왔어? 이렇게 맵지?
매워?
저 칠리 되게 매워.
진짜?
그거 할머니? 아, 저분도 싶었어? 샤이 하시네.
시간 때문에
삶이 좀 망한 것 같은데. 이렇게 하고 싶은데 잘 안 된다. 자꾸 뒤집어져. 올리면 안 돼.
No, I work from Raida Chua.
내일 좋아. 아, 오케이.
work like a guy.
A guy. Like him.
Yeah.
Then we became
That's
friends.
why we this one was all from the tour.
Oh.
Yeah, I'm from India.
You're from India?
So you live here now?
Me?
Yeah.
No,
Or you're just
I'm here for
visiting?
vacation. Yeah.
Oh, you're just visiting. Right.
Yeah.
I want in my boat, they want in their boat.
But I didn't go there. Because of the less people. That's why I make money. So when I go there, I don't get problem. That's why. But it was nice. We go there, we enjoy, we make money. All this stuff. I don't know if it was
Day before yesterday,
Vacation.
rough wave.
Yeah, no, the one it was very rough. It was good yesterday.
Day before yesterday.
Yeah, before yesterday it was rough. My captain told me.
Yeah.
It was so windy when you were in the boat, all the people were. Sometimes when you go there, it's so rough. When you go, you say from today when you come in here, yeah, because the boat is like a house, the way like a house. Yeah, I used to go on this situation, and I say from today I'm not coming anymore. I'm coming, you know, because the weather now change. But when you go there, you can also here, when you come, also, but here at least
Boat ride.
no problem. So far.
김치찌개 먹고 싶다.
하루가 그냥 날라.
바다에 고기 먹고 싶다.
저녁 안 먹어도 돼.
So no understand.
Yeah, not this way.
그때 생민지가 한 100개 넘었거든.
But when you come next time,
Okay.
I will take you somewhere.
Okay.
Yeah, out of Sontown. Yeah, I will take you.
Okay.
많이
And
필죠.
the street, yeah, find people go to go and then
Okay. Sure. Sure. Sure.
사파리에서 진짜 볼 수 있을까 많이? 막 전화도 막
오히려 키가 크지 않고 셀미는 좀 작잖아. 이거 머리는 좀 크게 해도 한 대씩. 여기 50만 원.
This one happened.
Sorry, this one? This one. It's
I saw in one shop. They don't have.
기린이랑 이제 초식동물들이
Giraffe. They have only.
그러니까 나도 강아지
Only one.
코끼리는 진짜 많아. 기린도 너무 많이 봤어 진짜.
Jambu! When you go back,
찍으면 나오는 거 아니야?
아니야 그 소개 페이지 보는 페이지.
아 그래?
저거 파는 거라면 USB에 담았거든.
So when we are here,
어?
we see the green tree. Those are the mangrove.
망그로?
Not the mango, mangrove.
망그로.
We have almost like a 20 species of the mangrove, but here we have only 3 types of mangrove. We have a red mangrove, we have mangrove differa, and the white mangrove. It's not the same leaf, not the same root, it's different. And always mangrove, the tree they grow in salt water. And how can they plant it? They see the plant himself. Not like other like a banana or papaya. When have a big wind, the seed they fall down. Same like vanilla, but the vanilla is the parasite. And automatically in the mangrove roots have a lot of fish, and also some the coral. But always the big fish they eat the small fish. So the small fish they stir the mangrove like make it more reproduction. That's why they look so green there. And behind there we have a very huge ruins we call Maruhubi. Maruhubi was the third Sultan Said bin Baragash. He was live here with a one wife and a 99 concubine. That's why you'll be busy man.
Busy man.
That's why I can see a lot of like the Muslim have like a 4 wife. They took the karakata from the Sultan. And have a lot of the mango tree. And before a beautiful garden. And then more spice they planted the cardamom, vanilla, cinnamon, ginger. But now everything in the kaput. So now I have like the seaport with a lot of container there. Wow, do you go? Hali the Washwario. So I asked you how you got the Tony, how the situation. Got on the top of it. You're on the Mount Kilimanjaro. We have the huge one, the hotel there. The Verde, the owner is the Baharesa.
바하레사?
Yeah, it's a nice hotel, it's a 5-star hotel.
Oh.
But the problem is no alcohol.
No alcohol.
Yes. You know, some the tourists without alcohol, nothing. Some they book for 5 nights, there's still 1 night, then they change it. But, no, the owner, the local people from Baharesa like a Zanzibar. They look like a cappuccino.
아.
Half like a Zanzibar, half like the Indian. Like same like Fred Mercury, you know. They look like the same one. And we can see a lot of the small island. We have this one, Crab Island, or Chapwani. Why they call crab? Because we have the soldier was fighting for Second World War. The ship was bombed. All the soldier he died, so he buried on that island there. We have a small island they call the Snake Island, but no snake, the shape, they be bending. Then this is the other one is the prison island. They really call it Changu. Changu, they kind of fish like water snapper. They be found for prison because he was a prison there. So he built a prison at the AM to keep a slave. But the prison, he never functioned. That's why they changed, make like quarantine, like hospital for the yellow fever. Then they have a Bowie, the sister of the prison island. But they still have a hotel there, it's very expensive. The Bowie. So it's a 5-star hotel. It's about like a $3,000 per night. Same like Nemba. For the Nemba Island, the owner is the delegate. He's the owner of the Nemba Island. I think tomorrow when you go there, you're not allowed to enter, but we do diving behind on the island. You can see.
Okay.
Then the sand is very soft, like a powder. Nemba Island. So talking about the main economy, they depend for fishing, spice, and the tourists. That's why fishing is not expensive. It's cheaper. It's opposite like in Europe. Europe fish is more expensive, seafood more expensive. But here everything we get in the Indian Ocean. Although we don't have a nice instrument for fishing, the machine. So they use like a net. So whatever nice boats, so I can get a lot of fish. You can get the tuna, get the kingfish. Some people they have a net to get saladin, the little one, the small. It's very good for barbecue, saladin. For the soup, small.
멸치 같은 거.
So today the sun is not yummy.
Not
It's not
golden,
outside.
Not golden.
Hakuna Matata. the weather is what it is.
See you tomorrow.
근데 더 먹으면 돼지 같아요.
아니요.
아니 그게 안 먹. 침 맛있는 거.
그래도 먹긴 먹었는데.
아니야.
본 적이 없어.
엄청 평화로워. 엄청 평화로워.
Yeah, I mean your branch.
My branch.
Yeah.
Chennai, South India.
So it is located in India.
해 어디 갔어?
저기.
Now coming down. Show you the nice.
오. awesome. Above the half.
Okay. But when it's coming down,
Mm.
we'll see it clear since.
아.
Yeah, because down there is no clouds.
오.
You see, when the sun come down, let me see the time. Still we have the time. Now it's 5:9.
5-9.
Yeah, so it means that it's 6:30. Yeah, it's almost go down. Now it's almost 6, but
이렇게 찍는 거다.
yeah, now 6.
6?
Yeah, 6:30 we'll see it there.
아, alright. 뭔데 이거? 아.
If you want to go there, check it, no problem. If you want to, you can just go there.
From that.
Yeah. No problem. No.
공학도일 것 같아. 그래야 물자리가. 예쁜데요?
And also you can do it. Oh, already disappeared. Clouds.
So now see the sunset. Almost. Although it's cloudy, so he never stay for a long time. Then the thing.
Kama linakuja ile boti kubwa. Kama linakuja basi
Yeah, the Haru.
Harudi kumeandua.
No, because it's not a brother. monarchy, not so far.
어디 갔어? 가서 잘 거야 바로? 가서 잘 거야? 메이간이 있어. 살짝? 근데 먹으면 좀 효과가 있어. 어제 그랬잖아.
Everything's good?
Yes.
So what we are here, we are closed for the night market, the Forodani garden. Actually, when you pass the morning, they look nothing. But after sunset, almost the people they go there for get some of the food, some drinks. You have a lot of time barbecue there. And a lot of kids they running, they jump, they do like diving
Oh yes.
in the
yeah.
in the water there.
Seen that.
And here they left the seaport, the ferry.
Yes.
You know, from here by the boat to go to the mainland, they take like 2 hours. By flight, 20 minutes. For swimming all the day. Because there's no sharks there. So have this one also like the cargo, they take a pip.
Long way gone.
Still now at the high tide.
Yeah.
So low tide, the water they moving. It's not the same like in the north. In the north, low tide, high tide, you don't have a long distance for the water. But here,
별로 안 깊나 보네.
뭐가?
이게 수심이 별로 안 깊나
그런 거 봐.
보네. 자기 형사가
바다가 일상이야.
뭐야 저건? 아 튜브구나. 무섭진 않을 것 같은데?
무섭지 않아? 아니 막 이렇게
깊지만
비행기 돌면서 막
We take it for protection. Huh?
뭐 어떻게 하게?
선물용으로 산 건데 왜 계속 드세요?
배고파서요.
저기요. 아니 안 먹어요. 선물 안 할 거예요?
할 거예요.
킹받음 진짜. 릴스 중독자야 아주.